Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to import XML in draw.io. So right here what I have is Open File Explorer, and I have the XML file. You can see by right clicking and going to properties, and that writes that I have .xml. And to import into draw.io, what I will do is basically go and click on File, Import From. You can select like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, and etc. But what I will choose is Device. And now I will select this file. And as you can see, you'll be able to import .xml right here. So my file was empty, so I don't have anything right here. Also, what you can do is open File Explorer, and the more convenient way is to drag and drop the file like this. So basically that's how you do it. So you can import from Google Drive too, but you'll need to authorize it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.